'Cause we are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come, we share a dream, and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia.
I've been to cities that never close down, from New York to London town. But no matter how far or how wide I roam, I still call Australia home.
'Cause we are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come, we share a dream, and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia.
So here we are, at a place called Kelso Park at the car show. Just come along, have me coffee, and let's go. Nice mate, nice Nick. Sounds nice. XP. Good little car show this. It's not too big, it's got all the good cars. Here comes my favourite, the Mustang. Sounds nice. Little Fiat trying to start over there. It's like a lawnmower. Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug. Oh, there's Watso's car from that real estate place. We're all piled in there, far out. Good little event this, guys. V-dub, made out one of these, 56 model actually, with the kickboards on the side, yep, and 6-volt battery and valve radio, and we used to push start everywhere. It's nice V-dub. Crack up. Nice little pusher. Everybody's leaving now.
What are you looking at? Value-wise? I mean, I understand, like, you know, you advise, but if you want to have a figure, what would you be happy with? Look, summary.
Here comes the Mustang.
I bought 150 as the market. Yeah, well, definitely. Yeah, I mean, we'll have
Ah, Adam's family. Oh, the Munsters. Oh, here comes the Cobra. All comes to those who wait.
Dookie Cappuccino, you leaving? Yeah, this is so cool. What? Tell me a little bit.
Which production company are you with?
This is YouTube.
Oh, you're same as me. I got me other good cameras in the car. I just jumped out with this. It's gonna close.
He said it'd be okay to film. So tell me a little bit about the car before you go, because I've always wanted to see one. Can I get the mic as close as we can? We're still under turbo charge. Rear wheel drive. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah.
I bet the Kangaroo's been amazing. I've been two mates actually. We took the truck to Sydney to Perth. Speedboats, so once again, social fishermen. So it was like 27, 227, and 23 for Frank.
Little hot rod. Missed that one. Studebaker. 59 Studebaker. Almost time to leave. Merc. Diesel.
I stand firm, mate. I'm not. One told me the story before you, and I'm the same condition as this.
I want to use, but I want to use. I need to use it. It's not me about those trying to get something old. I like something old but something new. I swear, I'd rather something old than something new.
There you go. I repainted the floor and the runners and everything.
Same as my brother's old car, LH. Alright guys, it's about time to leave.
Yes, it is. Oh, Charlie! Charlie! Yeah, that's true. We still have a few more. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, my mum was born in 1925. So she was a 20s girl. She did the war in Italy, Sicily.
Alright guys, good little event here. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side. Thanks guys, bye. Hooroo.
It's like it's in Georgia, Texas, actually, right now. So I kind of miss it. It'd be very cool if I had it over here. yeah, well, it's okay. I'm learning about the car community. That's the thing is I don't know anything about these cars, and that's why we started this channel. I just point at the car and I say, I don't know what that is, and then the commenters explain it to me. They're like, well, this is a whole new X, Y, something. Yeah. So we're having a good time, and I'm learning. Yeah. Well, I guess I didn't mention to you. The plan today was to do 4 car shows right there. And so this was.
Yeah, yeah. But I did a lot of research and I found out that there's 2 things going It's all right, it's a genuine jump that I did.
interesting. You're not supposed to go in there at certain hours now. The neighbours don't like people going in there, which is fair enough. So don't go there and play silly buggers. If you want to go there just for the history. I think it closes at 2:30. It's just up here. I think there's a sign. We'll have a look at that.